He is showering. He is. She is mopping. The boy is speaking. They are watering flower. The kid is painting. My brother studies English. I go to school at 6 o'clock every day. Dylan sweeps this class every morning. She speaks English every day. They study English at 7 o'clock. It is a half past 8. It is 11 o'clock. It is a quarter past 10. It is a quarter to 4. It is 20 past 2. Wake up, prepare, go home, pray, stand up, sit down.